Folks, welcome back. I hope you keep up with your practice. It's like everything in life, whatever you want, it can be yours. Just put in the time, effort. It all depends how bad you want. Start up with the hard set. Doing 5-4-5-4 hard ways. 6-1-5, 6 point. So I get an implosion of one of the dice. Okay. 2 ace ace. That's a drift. There's still too much power delivered. Eight, 2-6. Ten, 6-4. One of the dice is popping out. It's too much. It's not a 50-50 hold on the thumb pressure. It's got to pay attention on that grip. Okay. 6 the hard way. 3-3. Point made. Alright, worked out pretty good. Hard way set. And we got a hard way outcome. $12, 6-6. Okay, we got the hardest number to hit out of the way, the 2s and the 12. Let's hope we don't waste it. Maybe we'll get the all tall, all short this time. Seven. Okay, buns are off. It's a double kiss. We'll reset our all tall, all short. And we'll count the 7 draw. If the 7 has to fall, that's where we want it to fall when the buffs are off. Okay, 8. Okay, points 8. 35. Eight, 4-4, 8 hard, point made. That's what you want to see. Worked out good. Hard way set, and then you got a hard way roll outcome. 6-1-5, 6 a point. Six, the hard way. Point made. Okay, that's good. So far, so good. Hard way set, hard way outcome. Seven. All right, buttons are off. We'll take that. It's only 4 rows. Take the row, count to 7. Okay, so for the hardware set for today, the SOR is not that high. The 7 happened to come out the right time. 3, 1, 2. Can't call it skill. That just happened to be a luck because it fell in the right place at the right time in our favor. We're gonna counter that once the buttons are on. 11, 6, 5. Five. Okay, points 5. 2, 3, 5. Okay, we're gonna change sets since we don't have a high SOR in this set. Just for today, we're gonna go with the 4, 2, 2, 4. Try to hit those 6 and 8. 11, 6, 5. That was a double kiss with a pop. Too much power. Eight, 3, 5. It's pretty good. This set hits a lot of 6 and 8 for me. 3, 1, 2. Alright, we got 2 sets there. We gotta be careful. The 7 usually pops up on the last. We're gonna change set. I'm gonna go with the 6, 5, 5, 4. Try some outside numbers. 6, 1, 5. 8 the hard way. 4, 4. Ten the hard way. 5, 5. The set is good for all outside numbers, for all 12 numbers, but mostly designed for the outside numbers. 7 out. Okay, no saving us this time. We got 3 points. Let's see how we got. 2, 4, 6, 8. Let me count these. 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 21. And the 7 happened to fall in the right place. Not great, but we'll take it. See you next time.